This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on JavaScript on your iOS or Android device on the Google Chrome mobile browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser, and then select the Settings gear button, and then go down underneath the Advanced section and select where it says Site Settings and select that. And then go down again underneath the Content section and where it says JavaScript, select that. If you want to enable JavaScript and allow sites to run JavaScript, you want to toggle to the right. Conversely, if you want to disable it, just click inside that oval until it's grayed out and it will say blocked. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.